Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmond Midaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve if your volume control is not working on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. And without further ado, let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to click on the search menu, and then kailangan mo lang i-type dito yung services, and then click mo lang dito yung open. So dito sa services local, ang next step ay kailangan lang natin i-locate yung Windows Audio. So scroll down lang tayo. And then select mo lang dito yung Windows Audio. Ito siya. So kailangan mo lang mag-double click. And then pop up itong kanyang Windows Audio properties. So dito lang sa general. And then dito lang si startup type. So kailangan mo lang select dito yung automatic. Or pwede mo namang i-select dito yung automatic delete start. Okay, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa service status ay kailangan mo lang i-click tong running and then click mo lang dito yung stop. Okay, so click mo lang yan. So once na ma-complete na yung running, na stop, and then click mo lang dito sa service status, i-click mo ulit tong start, and then click mo lang dito yung okay. And then next solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong services. So dito lang sa taskbar, kailangan mo lang mag-right click, and then select mo lang dito yung task manager. So dito sa Task Manager, dito lang sa search bar dito sa taas ay kailangan mo lang i-type yung Windows Explorer. And then, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-click yan and then mag-right click ka lang. And then, kailangan mo lang select dito yung restart. Okay, so click mo lang to restart and then wait natin. So once nakapag-restart na tayo dito sa Task Manager, so ang last solution na pwede natin gawin, so close lang natin tong Task Manager. So dito lang sa start menu, so right click ka lang. And then select mo lang dito yung device manager. And then dito sa device manager, ang next step ay kailangan mo lang i-select dito yung audio inputs and outputs, yung pinakauna lang. So i-click mo lang itong arrow na yan para mag-expand. And then next step natin gagawin dito ay kailangan lang i-update tong kanyang drivers. So select mo lang dito yung speakers and audio. So, kailangan mo lang i-select yan and then kailangan mo lang mag-right click and then kailangan mo lang i-click tong update drivers and then pop up tong dalawang options na search automatically for drivers or browse my computer. So, select ka lang dito sa dalawa, okay? And then once na-select mo na tong search automatically and then makikita mo na dito the best drivers for your device are already installed. So, ang next step, so close lang natin to. Close tong device manager and then dito na sa start menu and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart. Okay, so click mo lang yan. Alright, so ganoon lang po kasimple on how to fix volume control not working issue in Windows 11 or Windows 10. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.